everyone, this is me, journalist Geeta from K12 News. Today I am present at the annual function of Ajanta Public School, Gurgaon. Let's talk to some guests and parents of the children. Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Aarti Sharma. So I'm a PGT here in Ajanta Public School. Basically, I'm a cricket coach at Haryana level in SGFI. And my at least 10 to 15 girls, they played at state level. And 3 of the girls, they played in BCCI also. And BCCI, the Haryana won champion also the last 2 years. And recently, my 9 girls, they were selected at national level.
Ma'am, what is your message for children for today's annual function?
Yeah, it's a Ramayana is a very good thing, no doubt. So it's a ritual things basically. And अभी देखा हो तो आपने जो अयोध्या में भी हुआ था तो बेसिकली हम लोग उससे भी इंस्पायर थे. तो ये जो इतनी लेवल पे हो रहा है, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम और जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल सर और उन्हीं की वजह से हम इस तरीके से पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज करा पाए हैं. एंड इस मैसेज के थ्रू एटलीस्ट ये जाएगा कि हाँ किस तरीके से रामायण थी, क्या उसमें मैसेज थे जो पॉजिटिव थे, जो बच्चे लोग उसको एडॉप्ट कर सकें.
Ma'am.
जय श्री राम.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Ma'am, what is your message for students for this today's annual function?
All the best because they have been working hard since long, and my niece is working in this school. She is very excited, and I really like the fact that you have taken a theme which is mythological, and we are coming back to our values. And especially this has been a trending thing. Jai Siya Ram. So Jai Siya Ram.
Ma'am.
Hello.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Ma'am, what is your message for children?
Ajanta students are very good, fantastic students, and they are always learning better and better. Ajanta is fab school.
And ma'am, what is your thought regarding today's annual function?
Children are getting closer to their roots, our cultural religion, that's all.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Ma'am, what is your message for students for regarding the today's annual function?
This is very good thing that they are performing on the Ramayana theme, and they will know our ancient things, and they will know about all the things that we have in ancient times, the values they have. So it's a very good thing.
And what are you think about the school, about teachers?
School is very good. Teachers are very supportive, and they always encourage the children to participate in every field so that they can improve wherever they are lacking behind.
जय श्री राम.
Jai Shri Ram.
मैम, क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप इस स्कूल को, इस स्कूल के बच्चों को?
स्कूल एक्चुअली अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. पढ़ाई वढ़ाई पे भी काफ़ी फोकस होता है, बट मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा और इम्प्रूवमेंट और बच्चों के डेवलपमेंट में थोड़ा और ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाए तो स्कूल और मतलब अभी जिस लेवल पे उससे और लेवल पे जाएगा. बाकी नो डाउट्स टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्टिव है और ओवरऑल बढ़िया है.
हेलो मैम.
Hi,
जय श्री राम.
Jai Shri Ram.
मैम, what is your message for student?
My message for students is that they should uphold their culture, and they should also be aware of their idols and God, and they should also worship every day. So I think this is a quality and it's a skill we should inculcate into them.
And what is your thinking for today's annual function?
I'm actually very excited and thrilled and because they've been working really hard for over a month now. So children are practicing and everyone is in full swing. So I'm really excited to see Ram Leela today.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Sir, what is your message for students and this school?
School is fantastic, I would say about it. I'm happy to see that they are building a culture and not only the studies about it. So that's really great thing. And the sports activity they conduct for my daughter. So I'm extremely happy with that.
And sir, what is your message regarding today's function?
This function about it, so extremely well organized, I would say so far. And definitely will enjoy it. My daughter is going to perform on the music classes. So let's see.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Sir, what is your message for school and school students?
See, basically school is doing very well. I wish them all the very best on their foundation day. In the meantime, I would like to tell you that Ajanta Public School is a very good school. My son, who is in 6th B, he is taking part of every cultural activities over here, and teachers are very good. So nothing on the complaint part. That's it, and I wish all the best.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Sir, what is your message for school?
मैम बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन है जो अरेंज करते हैं, हर साल करते हैं, पर बहुत अच्छा रिसर्च थीम भी बहुत अच्छी है।
And what is your message for students regarding today's annual function?
मैम ये फंक्शन जय श्री राम के नाम पे, भगवान के नाम पे हो रहा है, कि जो एक हम एथिक्स की बात करते हैं, मर्यादा की बात करते हैं, उसका प्रतीक है। और आज की तारीख में इंग्लिश मीडियम्स के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा जो फील करते हैं कि डिमोरलाइजेशन इसी चीज़ को लेके है, तो इटली बहुत अच्छा स्टेप है जो स्कूल ने लिया है।
Okay. Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, why did you choose the theme of annual function to be a Legends Ramayan?
Okay, so since from the beginning, I wanted to, I was always interested in such kind of epics, and we are blessed that we are born in a country such as India, where you have enough knowledge and you can imbibe such kind of values and ethics through such kind of epics. And I always wanted to even enact. I still remember that every Sunday it used to come, the Ramanan Saga show, and there was a curfew all over, and I was the one who always used to be ready 10 minutes prior to the show. So I know Nick and Connor about each part of the happenings, what has happened in Ramayana. So though I want to connect in such kind of show, never got a chance. Though I got an opportunity being a principal to work on this epic, and I think it's blessing because from the day we started working on this, we're getting such kind of vibes which we never got it before, and everywhere it's all Shri Ram. That's what I can listen, I can see, and maybe sometime what happens, we cannot teach, and something we have to enact, and that's where the learning comes from, and that's been a great experience, and that's how the idea came into my mind.
Ajanta Public School is so famous for sports, and why it is so?
So, I was a childhood. I still remember I was in sports, and I used to travel with my father. He used to take me for badminton classes, and I was a very good player of badminton. I used to represent Punjab in most of the games, and I was really passionate because the kind of metabolism you get it while playing sports, and the kind of energy you get it, you don't get it in any other activity. What I feel, sport has to be an integral part, and so being a leader, I have always taken initiative to provide a kind of scholarship to the sports students, giving such kind of playground, the kind of infrastructure, the motivation, best of the sports staff. That's what makes a difference, Ajanta, from others.
What is your message to your children for today's annual function?
Okay, say it's important that in life you need to follow the path of Dharma. That's what I've done in my life as well. So being a leader, you need to show them the path. And I think it's a great even mega event, and the great teachings that I can give it to them. So follow the path of Dharma, follow the path of righteousness, and I'm sure you can achieve what you have not done it. So of course I'll say that the achievements are important in life, and that brings the success. But if you really want to be a great person, for that beyond money, beyond strength and anything else, what is more important for you is the character. So don't move out of the character, be in your character, follow the path, and I'm sure that you'll reach to the pinnacle. Thank you.
Jai Shri Ram. To know more, stay connected with K12 News.